So hi to all, this is Gautam Devasi, and in today's video we're gonna talk about how we can credit some amount on our OpenAI account so that we can use OpenAI's API on our projects. So first of all, search OpenAI API using Google search or any other web browser. After that, just click on the first link and you will get a website of OpenAI and you need to log in into that account. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to click on this setting icon, and after that you just click on this billing menu from the left side. Okay, so guys, you need to make sure some things like there is some requirement for credit some amount. The first one, that you should have a debit or credit card. Okay, after that you should always activated your international transaction on your debit or credit card. Okay, because by default most of the debit card transactions are allowed for domestic use, so you need to activate it that thing, and you can activate that from like your bank accounts website, or you can use their apps. Okay, like I'm from India, so I was using Kotak account, so I uses Kotak's app, and I just activated my debit card international transaction. After that, okay, let's go to the website. So you can check that currently I'm having a $5.5 in my account. Okay, so guys, for adding any kind of a credit on this account, you just need to click on this payment methods, and after that you need to add your debit or credit card details in it. Okay, after adding that detail, what you need to do is you just need to click on this add to credit balance, and you can add any kind of a amount whatever you want. Like the amount should be, guys, always greater than 5. Okay, because eh, the minimum amount should be $5. So you need to type that, and after that you need to select your payment method which was you added recently, and you need to continue that thing. Okay, and you always need to know one thing, that if you are using any other domestic currency, like in your bank account you have a rupees and you want to credit dollars, then you not need to worry about that, because everything will uh, handled by your debit card company like Visa or Mastercard. Okay, so after that you will able to add amount on this, but you need to make sure that your debit and credit card should be activated for international transaction. So that's for today's video. See you tomorrow.